Okay, in this video, quick guide on how to set an unlock schedule. Quickly, just confirming what we have. We have we're using an LED to simulate the lock, meaning if the door is unlocked, the LED will come up. We have a door contact. We have request to exit. If we press the request to exit, we see the door, it's unlocked, and we have the event showing request to exit granted. And we also have the door contact, so everything is working fine. Now the idea is we want to have a schedule assigned to the door, so at a specific time the door will be unlocked. There are multiple situations. For example, the customer wants to have the door unlocked during business hours, and after the business hours the door will lock back. So the step, first we're gonna need to create the schedule. To do so, we go definition schedule, new. We can give it a name, unlock schedule, for example. Unlock schedule. Now that will depend on the time you want to have the door unlocking. For now, let's assume that's 0. Let's say for now, let's say it's at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we have 0900 for starting time, 1700 because we're using military time. Then we put check mark. We add check mark where at the day we want that. So the unlock schedule is ready to go. Now next will be to assign that schedule to the door. We go devices, door, select the door, and in here we can see unlock schedule. So we can make it bigger so we can see very well here. So all we got to do is to select that and assign the schedule. Let's make sure we have that back. Alright, or we can make a right click, select, and unlock schedule selected. Now the door is not unlocked yet, but if I click on save, right away we have the door unlocked, and here we have door unlocked by a schedule. Now please, we need to understand the schedule we created is between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So what happened if at 9 a.m. customer has been delayed, nobody show up yet? In the way we have it now, the door will still unlock. That won't be safe. This is why we have an option will prevent that situation. We go to devices, door, find your way to the door and go to miscellaneous. If we add a check mark in here, to do the test correctly, we're going to remove the schedule, clear. Then we come to miscellaneous, we add the check mark in here. So now if we assign the schedule, unlock schedule, we save, the door it's not unlocking. Why it's not unlocking? Because the option we enable, let's help you to read it, unlock door by schedule, but after first man in, meaning until somebody comes in and enter and access that door, the schedule will not kick in. So all right, okay, now access granted. Door, we access the door, and now look at the graphic. The door, it's now unlocked by schedule, meaning the next person won't have to swipe because the door is unlocked, and that door will remain unlocked until, for that particular situation, until 5 p.m. because we have a schedule at that door up to 5 p.m. Quick way to check that: right click, edit, we can go to door and the schedule is there. We can right click also, go edit, here we go, we can confirm, or those are shortcut in the application. Edit, we right at the schedule. So this is how you can add an unlock schedule to a door, and please remember to add the option for security purposes. It's very good to add that, and also to explain, to remember that when we add that check mark in here, even if the time is up for the door to unlock, if nobody enter yet, the door will remain locked. Now if the schedule start at 9 and somebody access at 8:30, the door will still remain locked because someone has to access that door in between the time defined in the schedule. That means 9:01 and up, no problem. Thank you very much.